we're spending 1 week RVing in California's forest.
You know it makes me wanna kick my heels up and throw my hands up and
exploring the sea, discovering new friends,
don't forget to say you will.
and checking the giant redwoods off of our bucket list.
This is California.
Say it right now, baby. Say you will.
We're Morgan, Chris, Jonah, and Jude. We ditched the 9-to-5 to spend time with each other after years of missing out. We're exploring every state in the U.S., creating experiences that grow us closer together the further we step outside of our comfort zones.
Where are we now?
We made Trinidad, California home for the week, home to one of the most beautiful campgrounds in the U.S.
We are surrounded by redwoods at our RV site. Do not pull on me. I am 500 years old.
It's also home to banana slugs, who love the redwoods as much as we do.
We call him Gerald.
Gerald the giraffe. We should call him Gerald the slug?
Yeah.
Okay.
Introducing Gerald and Emmett.
I found one! But did you see one on that tree?
Where?
Right there!
Where?
What?
Where am I looking?
Dad, don't go down! That looks so cool.
After 6 months on the road, we found that we feel the most relaxed camping in nature. So we celebrated our return with one of our favorite traditions. Are you stealing marshmallows?
Team marshmallows.
You're a snake. What? Would you just wait for some more?
Ooh.
How was it with white chocolate? The boys made a few friends who helped them run off their sugar buzzes before bed.
All right, everyone look this way.
Your brother.
Look at that. Look at everyone look at this.
We had some late nights, but they were always followed by early mornings because the Pacific Ocean was just a few miles down the road, waiting for us to explore it. What's in your bag today?
We have two fruit snacks, all textbooks, and one pencil.
Follow Dana. Is this a cool place for lunch? The beaches were a bit colder than we were used to, but it was perfect weather for hiking. You're a good brother wearing Jude's backpack too.
He brings so much stuff.
Oh man, this is beautiful. Look at this.
We were on a mission to spot wildlife, especially whales.
This is like a popular stop for the mommies and the babies.
That is a snake. I found a snake.
So it's a mouse or rat. Leave it in the comments below if it's a rat.
I don't know what, if it's a mouse or a rat. Let's go see. Hi! Hello, buddy! Oh my gosh, this is very tough, dude.
We never did see a whale, so we moved on to another item on our bucket list, seeing the giant redwoods. We were told by locals that the redwoods in Trinidad paled in comparison to the mammoths that lived in Redwood National Forest. So we packed up the truck to go see if they were right. Here comes Dad. Oh, that wind.
They actually are very big. Just look up. Just look up.
Oh my gosh, okay, ready? I'm gonna do something really out of character here.
Uh-oh.
You ready?
No, I'm not. Oh, wow. That is insane. It just keeps going.
We have a gigantic tree here.
That is gigantic.
Some of the redwoods were thousands of years old and made us feel small, in a good way. It was a reminder that life's short and there's no other way that we'd want to spend it. But with each other,
Look how big these are.
making memories every day.
This is how the roots look. How weird is that?
This was California. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 seconds to get around the whole tree.
Wow, but where's Jude? It's taking him longer. Welcome to the party, Jude.
Oh, it is a video. Okay.